So good morning, my dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning,
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. How are you all?
I'm fine.
I am
I
fine.
am
Fine.
fine. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
How are you?
I'm also doing good. I'm also doing good. So shall we start with today's session?
Yes.
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 So before we start, please mute your device and please be ready with your English literature textbook part 2 and please take page number 2. Okay, Ishan, my dear. Ishan, my dear. Last week we were having reading session. Do you remember the name of the lesson, Ishan?
Ma'am, part
The great race.
Yes, Kasina, part
great
2, part 2. The great race,
Race.
right? Lesson number 10, isn't it? Is it lesson number 10? Is lesson number 10?
Yes. Yes.
The
Yes.
lesson is the great race and it is a Chinese folk tale. It is a Chinese folk tale. Now, when you hear the word race, what comes to your mind? Just put the hand up again. Okay, don't forget that we have to do all these things or else there will be a lot of mess. Stenin, what comes to your mind when you hear the word race? Anandita, please keep the camera properly, my dear. It is upside down. Yes. Tell me, Stenin.
Memories.
Race, race, R-A-C-E, race. What comes to your mind when you hear the race? Running race, horse race, swimming race. What all types of race we have? Aradhya.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I feel happy and that will be very exciting when we have a race in.
Yes, of course, of course. Okay. What is that word which comes to your mind when you hear the word race? Race means what? A kind of
Run.
competition, right? A kind
Yes.
of competition, and once we take part, once we get a medal or a prize, how happy we feel, right? Participation itself is a great thing. After participating, if we get something, then that also is a greatest thing, is the greatest thing, right? So race, when we hear the word race, what comes to your mind? Competition.
Running race.
Ground, right? A big ground. Teachers, friends, right? Hope so you remember your school sports day when you were in second standard, right? Do you remember?
No. Yes.
No.
No.
Some of you remember, some of you don't
I
remember.
remember.
So these are the things which are associated with the word race. Now,
Ma'am, I had won a medal for when I was in Singapore.
okay, okay. So now, what is the meaning of folk tale? Folk tale means what? This word we have come across when we were learning. No, I don't want anyone to talk. Everyone to talk together. I just want you to put your hand up so that, okay, Andrea, what is the meaning of folk tale?
Ma'am, it is a story that happened really.
Is it so? Is it so? Ishan?
It is a story that goes by generation.
Yes, very good. Of course, it goes on from generation to generation and it's not written anywhere. It is passed on by word of mouth. Okay, do you remember the same explanation I had given you when I was teaching the lesson? The man who never lied. Hope so you remember now. So what is the meaning of folk tale? Folk tale means typically it is passed on from generation to generation by word of mouth. By word of mouth means what? From mouth to mouth. So what are we going to learn today? Today we are going to learn a lesson. What is the name of the lesson? It is the great race. The great race. So please take the page number 3. Please take the page number 3. Long ago, the Jade Emperor of China invited all the animals to a swimming race. He declared that the first 12 animals would each have a year of the zodiac named after them. So what did the Jade Emperor do? What did the Jade Emperor do? Jade Emperor invited all the animals. Now, what is the meaning of Jade Emperor? Any guess?
A king named Jade.
Jade Emperor, you can just underline the word, and Jade Emperor means it is God. Okay? God in Chinese tradition. Can you see this color which I am using?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, so what is the meaning of Jade Emperor? Jade Emperor means the god in Chinese tradition. So please underline the word Jade Emperor and look at the board. I'm going to show you the picture of Jade Emperor, not this one. Okay, not this one also. Everybody is, waiting to see the picture of Jade Emperor. So this is Jade Emperor, right? Can you see it clearly? Did you get an idea? What is the meaning of Jade Emperor? The
Yes.
Chinese tradition. Okay, then. So what did he do? He invited all the animals of the forest. What did he say? There is a swimming race for swimming. So all of you have to participate. So I collected a few animals which we find in the forest. So he just announced. He declared, he announced. What did he declare? He declared that the first 12 animals would each have a year of the zodiac named after them. Before that, what is the meaning of the word zodiac? Zodiac means what? Zodiac means? No need. You just underline the word zodiac. No need of writing anything. All these meanings I'll give you when I send the notes. Okay, what's the meaning of zodiac? It is a cycle of
Zodiac 12 years with
a cycle of
animal symbol for each year.
It is a cycle of 12 years with animal
Symbol
symbols for each year. Okay. So what is the meaning of zodiac? Zodiac means it is a cycle of 12 years with animal symbols for each year. So what did he say? There is a race for you all. And he also added the first 12 animals would get a chance, would each have a year of the zodiac named after them. Do you understand how many years are there? Zodiac is 12 years. So how many animals will get a chance in this race? How many, if they win, how many animals are going to get a chance to enter this zodiac?
12.
12.
12.
Okay. Now, what do you think? When the animals, so see, look here. So look here. These are the 12 animals which got a chance, which got a chance to take place in the Chinese calendar. Can you identify this one which I am touching here? Can you identify that animal?
Horse.
Lizard.
Snake.
Snake.
Okay, learn it. Okay, we learn it slowly. So once he announced, happy, all animals were excited. What did the animals do? They made a line. Now you also know, once you are in the ground, once there is some race, what do? You are asked to stand in a line and you just sit like this. Once the whistle is blown, you are supposed to start the race. Am I right? So here also, what did the animals do? All the animals lined up along the river bank. The rat and the cat were poor swimmers. They asked the strong ox to help them. So what happened? A race started, but the rat and cat, they were very poor at swimming. So what did they do? What did they do? They asked for the help of? They asked for the help of?
Ox.
Okay. What did they do? The rat and the cat, they asked for the help of ox. Now, what do you think? What do you think? What ox might have done? Was it ready? See, cat and rat, they were poor swimmers. They asked the ox to take them to the shore. Of course, said the ox, just climb on my back. I will take you across the river. Listen, okay, listen carefully. So what did the ox say? Of course, why not? It was very kind. So he said, you just climb onto the back. I'll take you to the shore. I'll take you to the other side of the river. Okay. They had almost reached the other bank when the rat pushed the cat into the water. Okay, they started the race now. The race started. So when they were about to reach the finishing line, what did the cat do? The cat pushed, sorry, what did the rat do? The rat pushed the cat into the water. Okay, as they were about to reach to the other side, the rat pushed the cat into the water. And just as the ox was about to win the race, the rat leapt onto his head and then onto the bank to finish first. This rat was very cunning. He pushed the cat into the water and ox was about to reach the finishing line. What did he do? He just leapt. Leapt means what? Jumped from his head to the finishing line. And he got the first place. Who got the first place now? Is it ox?
Rat.
Rat. How did he
Rat.
get first place?
Rat pushed the cat.
It means
The rat put the cat leapt into his head and then into the bank.
No. If everybody starts talking like this, there will be a lot of confusion. So let me ask. Okay, our birthday girl will give the answer. Anandita, how did the rat get first?
The rat pushed the cat into the water and jumped from Ox's head.
Oh, and then only he got. So was he honest in his way? Was he honest?
No.
He was very dishonest. He cheated the cat. He cheated the ox. Then only he got the first place. Okay. Then, well done, said the emperor to the proud rat. See, once you get first place, the people whomever you meet, what do? They congratulate you. Right, Cassina? Yes. So the emperor was very happy and he congratulated the rat. The first year of the zodiac will be named after you. So what did the king declare? He declared the first year. How many years are there in zodiac? 12 years. Don't forget that. 12 years. So the first place, the first year will be named after rat. The poor ox had the second year. So what happened to the ox? Ox got second place, right? Ox got second place. Second year of the zodiac named after him. Shortly after them, an exhausted tiger. What is the meaning of the word exhausted? Underline the word exhausted.
Very tired.
Very tired. Now look at this picture. Look at this picture. Look at the man. What do you feel? What do you understand from that picture?
Exhausted.
He exhausted.
What is the meaning of exhausted? Exhausted.
Very
Means
tired.
very tired.
Tired. His battery is completely
Low.
Okay. So in the same way, the tiger also was very exhausted, very tired, but clawed. Hey, what is the meaning of the word clawed? Clawed means what? He lot of difficulty. What did the tiger do? Tiger was finding it very difficult to move forward, but somehow he managed by using his claws. Have you seen the sharp claws of the tiger? Have you seen
Yes.
So
And
with
it's like
somehow he was able to manage and he got the third place in the race. So the Jade Emperor, the third year of the zodiac was named after him. So the third place was given to the tiger. Don't forget who got the first place. Who got the first place?
Rat.
See, first place, rat. Second
Rat.
place, ox. Third place, tiger. Tiger. Okay. Fourth place we have not yet reached. We are going to learn the fourth place. Okay. So fourth place. The next one to arrive was the rabbit. So who was the next one to arrive in the place? It was rabbit. He had reached the shore by floating on a log. How did he reach? How
By
did
floating on a log.
log? Log means what?
on a log.
Log means what? It is a wooden piece. Okay, what is the meaning of log? A wooden
piece. Wooden piece.
So rabbit, what did he do? He reached the shore, or he reached to the other side of the bank by floating on a log. Suppose now by mistake I fell into the river. I don't know swimming. What will I do? I have two options. Either to drown, means go down, and the other option is catch on to something and just try to reach the bank, right? Have you seen in the movies? Have you seen in the movies they hold on to the log, wooden piece, and just try to reach somewhere? Have you seen in the movies?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Don't try. Okay, don't try. It's very dangerous. Don't try. Okay, don't ever try. Bhagya is surprised. Okay. So how did the rabbit reach? Rabbit floating on a log. He just reached to the shore. The Jade Emperor declared the 4th year after his name. So who got the 4th place now? The rabbit.
Rabbit got the fourth place.
Rabbit
got the fourth
The
place.
5th place was given to the dragon. Now my question is, you might have seen this dragon is very common in Chinese culture. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
The dragon as very lucky. Okay. Fire coming out of the mouth of the dragon. Have you seen in the movies all?
Fire. Fire.
Yes, yes. So China people, what do they do? These Chinese, they consider this dragon as very lucky. Now this dragon got only 5th place. My question is, as far we know, this dragon is very powerful, right? Right?
Yes.
It's very powerful. It can do anything. That's what, it's a belief. It's a belief. Now, though he was so powerful, though he could fly and reach the spot, see, each and every animal cannot swim, right? Though the king had announced a swimming race, dragon did not swim. Dragon reached the place. How? He flew. Okay, and then only he reached the place. Now, my question is, though the dragon was so powerful, why did he get only 5th place? He would have got the 1st place, right? Why did he get only 5th place?
He was so busy.
Don't read from the book and give me the answer. Just think why. Okay, Joel, do you want to say something? Just
He
try.
need to help other animals.
What is it, Joel? Please repeat.
He need to help other animals.
Okay, he was busy helping the other animals. Okay, so look at this screen. So the dragon so powerful, but it didn't get 1st place. It got only 5th place. Why? The reason is here. Just then a dragon swooped. What is the meaning of swooped? Underline the word swooped. SWOOPED. What is the meaning of swooped?
Move down very fast.
I'm
looking sharp.
Move fast.
Very
Down very fast.
Move very fast.
Move down very fast.
Down very fast. You might have seen some certain birds doing this in the sky, right?
Yes.
They first move down. So what is that action called? It is swooped. So what did the dragon do? It swooped down to take 5th place. The emperor asked, why didn't you win the race when you can fly? So what did the emperor ask? Emperor asked, why didn't you get to fly? And the response, what was the answer given by the dragon? He said, I need to make rain for a few thirsty animals and people. So what did he say? What did the dragon say? Dragon told, I saw a few people and few animals who were very thirsty, but they didn't have water to drink. So what did I do? I just brought rain for them. That was the one reason why he was late. What was another reason? Another reason was, then I blew a puff. What is the meaning of puff? Puff means?
Blow.
A short, sudden burst of breath. Look at the camera here.
Sudden burst.
Now Anandita is celebrating her birthday. Did you cut the cake, Anandita?
Ma'am,
When are you going to cut? Are you going to cut the cake today evening?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. You just imagine now there is a cake in front of you and you are going to blow the candles. How are you going to do it, Anandita? How do you blow the candles? right? That is
Yes.
called puff. What is the meaning of puff? Blowing. Okay. So exact meaning is a short, sudden burst of breath. No need of writing, just underline the word puff. Okay. So what is the meaning of puff? It is a short, sudden burst of breath. Okay. So what did the emperor do? What did the dragon do? He just blew a puff of wind to help the rabbit float to the river bank. Do you remember how did the rabbit get the third place? By floating with the help of the log. He was not able to float with the help of the log. So what did the dragon do? Dragon just blew a puff. So with that, a lot of wind was produced. With that, the rabbit was able to reach the shore. Okay. So how did dragon get its fifth place? He was busy helping a few people and the animals who were very thirsty, and he helped the rabbit in reaching the shore. Well, that was very kind of you. Now the Jade Emperor was very happy, right? He was very much impressed. He told, that's very kind of you. You will have the fifth year of the zodiac named after you, declared the emperor. What is the meaning of declaring? Declare means what?
Canceling.
Declare is not canceling, announcing. Okay, declaring is not canceling, it is announcing. Okay, so
I announce
now
the year
the race, once you finish the running race at the first place, second place, so your names are declared, right? Your names are announced. So what did the king do here? Jade Emperor, he just announced the name of the dragon. Which place did he get now? Fifth place. Okay, now shall we revise quickly? Which animal did, wait, let me ask. Okay, we will revise once, then we will go. Now look at the board. Okay, now look at the board. Who got the first place? Rat.
Rat.
Rat. Place?
Ox.
Third place?
Tiger. Rabbit.
Fifth place?
Dragon.
Very good. So shall we move on to the next place? Shall we?
God, monkey.
Then the next thing the Jade Emperor heard was the sound of the horse's hooves. So what was the sound heard by the Jade Emperor? Sound of the horse's hooves. Tuck, right? Have you heard the sound of the horse? I don't know exactly. Whatever I was knowing, I just, okay. You might have seen in the movies, they give the sound, you know. So like that, he heard the sound of the horse's hooves. Okay, so what did the Jade Emperor hear? He heard the sound of the horse's hooves. Suddenly, a sneaky snake wriggled. Sneaky, what is the meaning of sneaky now? Secretly. Have you seen a thief entering the house at night?
A thief.
Does the thief make a lot of noise? Yes, I am coming. Please move away. I am going to rob your house.
No.
Does he make sound?
No.
He is not sneaky that he will not make any noise.
No.
Oh, look at this pic. Look at this pic. So sneaky means what? Secretly. Underline the word sneaky. Secretly or secretively. Okay. So what did the snake do? Secretly, the snake wriggled. What is the meaning of wriggled? Twisting. Okay, twisted and turned quickly. Out from around one of the horse's hooves. Actually, when horse was running, the snake was there on one of the hooves of the horse. But did the horse know that?
No.
No, horse did not know. Horse was going on running. So along with horse, snake also was there, but horse was not aware. Secretly, he just climbed onto one of the hooves of the horse and he was traveling. So once after reaching a certain point, what did the snake do? The snake wriggled. Wriggled means what? He twisted and turned quickly. out from one of the horse's hooves. The horse was surprised and jumped backwards. Now, once he saw the snake, what did the horse do? Horse was scared.
scared.
Horse saw the snake. Horse was not knowing that he was traveling along with the snake. So he looking at the horse, he just moved backwards, giving the snake a chance to take the 6th place. And the poor horse had to be satisfied with the 7th place. So the snake got the 6th place and the 7th place was given to
Horse.
snake 6th place and horse got the 7th place. So here we stop. So total how many animals are there? Years. Zodiac means how many years? Zodiac. It is a cycle of
Cycle of animals in
12 years, right?
Well,
Of 12 years. See, zodiac means how many years? 12 years. Now, how many animals did we learn? We learned
7 animals.
this is zodiac. So, how many animals are remaining now? 1,
4,
5.
5.
So, did you enjoy today's lesson? Jovial,
Yes.
mute your device, Jovial. Tejashri also, please mute your device. Dev John also. Okay. Did you enjoy today's lesson?
Yes.
So, what is the name of the lesson that we learned?
The great
Great race. Okay. Now, whomever I am going to ask, only that child is going to answer. Okay. Now, what did the Jade Emperor announce? Zain, what did the Jade Emperor announce?
Ma'am, the Jade Emperor announced to all the animals to participate at the Zodiac.
Okay. Okay. So he announced a swimming race, right? What did he do? He announced
A swimming
invited
race.
all the animals to a swimming
race.
race. Okay. Now, Benedict, how did the rat get its first place?
Then the rats pushed the cats and the ox and get first and
First place. Okay, very good. Zain also very good. So how did he get the first place? He pushed the cat into the water and he jumped onto the head of the ox and got the first place. Okay, okay. Amreen, who got the second place, Amreen?
Ma'am, ox.
Ox got the second place. Nia Mary, what about tiger? Which place did the tiger get? You should be
Ma'am,
you should
Ma'am,
be
can I?
very fast
Ma'am?
in answering.
Can I?
Third place. Gokul, sorry, Rahul, how many Niyas are there in your class, Rahul? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Only 1. Okay, Nia, which place did he get? He got third place. Okay. Nobin? Nobin. What about rabbit?
Yes, ma'am.
Which place did rabbit get?
Ma'am, first place.
Nobin, did the rabbit get first
Ma'am,
place?
can I?
Veda, please help him out.
Ma'am, can I?
Veda,
Aiden.
Veda.
Ma'am, can I? Aiden. Ma'am, can I? Rahul. Aiden.
How many Vedas are here? How many Vedas are here? Only one Veda. Veda,
One.
which place did rabbit get? Which place?
4th place.
4th place. Nobin, which place did rabbit get? 4th place. 4th place. Dev John, which animal got the chance? Next.
Ma'am, the dragon.
The dragon got the 5th place and the 6th place was given to Iron. The 6th place was given to
Snake.
snake and the 7th place was taken away by
Horse.
So did you enjoy today's lesson? Is it not interesting?
It is interesting.
So Friday for Friday, what should you do? You have to read the lesson. Okay, you have to read the lesson at least 2 times and be ready for the class on Friday because English teacher we have only on Friday, right? Today is Wednesday and we will have it on Friday. Is that okay? So my dear children, you might have understood the lesson which is taught today, right? Am I right?
Yes,
ma'am.
Am I right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
So please read the lesson for next Friday and see you in the next English literature class. Okay, my dear children? Bye bye, bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.